Okay, if the water isn't past a certain point, it doesn't hurt me. So let's go back and progress to the left. Okay, we have some froggies. Let's take out the froggies. Alright, okay, this box, I believe, okay, you can, see these guys, you can drown them. It's kind of funny. You drown them and they die. So, shouldn't have tried to cross me. Cut downward. Oh my goodness. Okay, I could get around him. I didn't know. I thought I would get hurt if I tried to go around him. So let's go. Okay, no deep water or bad things happen. No swimming. Okay, there's something under there. And I'm just gonna continue on. Don't really feel like meeting new friends at this point. Let's see, now I could slice down. They let me. Oh, that was really annoying. Now they let me slice downward like that, but it wasn't letting me do that before. It's weird. I think. I don't even know. Let's continue. Oh, there's a pentagram down there. I'm just gonna leave that. I'm not gonna get. Shoot. Yeah, you don't want to. I don't want to get stuck in that. I don't know how I'm gonna get back up and around, but let's just continue. Okay, frozen lady. Okay, yep, and water hurts me, so. These little ice ladies are no match. And there's a way out here, or a way into another area. Okay, I think I know what this is. Max life up. And this is back to the beginning where those guys are, so that's open now. I could always come back through this way if I'm closer over here. So let's continue this way and go see what's under me.
I'll take you to a place which might be interesting for you.
Honestly, I don't trust that guy, but hey, we're already off. Our bats attacking. And let me guess, getting knocked into the water is probably death. So I'm gonna want to stay on the raft. Oh, and obviously, of course I get knocked off. This won't hurt me. Okay. Well, let me try to get back to land before I die. Okay, I made it back. Alright, well, honestly, honestly, for now, I'll leave that alone because I lost a lot of health through that. And, okay, he's back. Should I still go? Oh. I'll try not to get knocked off this time. How about that? now. I was so close. What's this? Mermaid statue. I think that's a relic. Yes. Okay. Summons the oarsman. Whatever that means. Don't really know what that does for me, honestly. Don't know what that entails, but I have that, and it summons the oarsman. Well, thank you, Ferryman. I think that's what his name is. I'm gonna go up through this way and progress through the game. I'll rather take the axe than that. 'Cause you can at least throw. At least I can throw the axe. I wasn't really down with the Bible thing though. I want something that I can use as a ranged attack more than like something that's more defensive like the Bible. And we can save here. And let's continue. So your strength also increases if I'm not mistaken. So obviously if your strength increases you can hit harder and whatnot. These guys are a breeze. Like these guys are obviously beginning of the game enemies. Like, you know, it takes nothing to destroy these guys. Forgot about that guy. And you see how I just roasted him with that. So I will continue up. So I'm almost to where I want to be, to the far left of the map is where I want to go so I can progress. There's another blue door over there if I'm not mistaken, and it will prevent me from going anywhere. So oh, should have been more powerful, my man. Oh, these guys gonna drop tears on me if I'm not careful. I didn't want to get hit by that guy, but whatever. He doesn't do any much damage anyway. I can save there. I'm gonna skip it. I should save there because if anything happens, I have to run through everything again. But I'm just gonna take my chances. So I progressed through the door. That's also offensive in range, but it's not what I'm looking for.
So we meet again, Alucard.
It seems so.
As friendly as ever, I see. It's strange. This castle is different than I remember it.
This castle is a creature of chaos. It may take many incarnations.
So I can't trust my memories, huh? Oh well, I'll do my best. Good luck.
That's creepy how that is. Essentially, she's been to this castle before, but it's different than how she remembers it because the castle itself changes and it takes many forms, as it says. Now look at my man Alucard. My man Alucard's gonna get through this. He's the OG, really. Another gemstone for me to sell to the librarian in case I want to pick something up. How much money am I working with? 2 grand? Oh, these things. So essentially what this is these guys hit hard, and the other head will roll down. This part is extremely annoying if you don't really know what you're doing. And this guy will also charge down at you, as you can see. And so you have to really take your time here. And it's better to... Oh, wow. See, that really hits hard. Because this is a more advanced part of the game. Oh, I barely got that off. Like, this guy's just chilling on the stairs. Like, bro, go do something with your life. This guy's sitting here waiting for someone to come up the stairs. Like, is that your whole career, my man? Like, is that really what you decided to do with yourself? And that thing's gonna fall on me too. Knock me way down the stairs. Oh, make a leap, make a leap. I had to plan that out carefully. This guy is called a corner guard. What? Oh, there's a sword thing in there, and the sword will hurt bad if you don't roast him quick. This thing is no joke. Honestly, I don't want to fight it. Call it a puppet sword. I could go up the little stairs there. A night shield. I already have one of those. That helps me a lot. So what I'm going to do is go in here and go up immediately. Because I don't really want to go fight that thing any more than I have to. Okay, so I'm in a new area up here. Also, this continues. Can I go around? Let's sit. Oh, this is a trick. Oh, what? Bruh. Like, the first one I knew, like, I figured was a trick, but I didn't think that lady would come and try to shank me. Like, come on, lady. What did I ever do to you? Oh, the boomerang dudes. Nope. Oh, and I get a boomerang myself. How kind. This area is annoying, honestly. Going up this way, you gotta do it, but it's and if that happens, you fall all the way back down. Learn to be extremely careful, let me tell you that. No. And these guys. Yeah. No. Yeah. Not. This, like, ghost girl. Oh, shoot. The ghost girl will hit hard, too. Yep, okay. I can't go there unless I have a certain item. Let me get on the bell. Man, I'm trying to fight. It's extremely hard to hit those guys. And I get an iron shield. I think that's better than what I have. And silver plate. So I think I'm a few better things. Silver is better. It'll give me even more defense. And as for the shield, I think I got iron shield. Is the same. I'll take it. I mean, I'll use it. And I can't go to the left of me because that's blocked off, but I can go this way. And there are, of course, bats. And bone halberd dudes. Alright, alright, alright. Oh, that's a lucky throw, I thought, in my opinion. Got him. Let's go up. And of course, there's gonna be some stupid crow. Another gemstone. Let me go grab that so I can sell that. Some zircon. Yo, your swordsmanship has to be on point in this game. Close. Over my head, though. I didn't anticipate this boss, actually. I forgot about this guy. Oh, and the eggs will grow into... Oh, you gotta avoid that. Like the plague. Let's back up from that. Oh, I'm learning about some new stuff. I forgot how to... Just little eggs. Honestly, I forgot that I could... Whoa, 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 whoa. Let me, If I look here... I'm pretty sure it shows me somewhere where I have the, where I have my moves. Okay, here. It shows the moves here, so... Up, down, and then you... to go over to X. Oh, wow. What a move. What a move. I'm like here messing with my buttons. There we go. I could do that. Oh. It can't hit me when I'm ducked. Can't hit me. Got him. That battle wasn't too bad. I was lucky I wasn't so close to...
Impressive. You're very strong.
What is it you want? You didn't come here to tell me that.
You're right. Do you know the name Richter Belmont?
Of the Belmont clan? Of course, but...
He disappeared about a year ago, and I'm sure he's here. If you see him, please let me know.
As you wish, my lady.
Thank you. So, you do know how to be a gentleman.
Alucard. She likes you. I like how you always go out the way she... like, right after her, but you never see her until later in the game. Like, she just disappears. I hope I can save here. I can. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's episode. I'll see y'all later. Peace.